Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hutchins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 brand new floor plan by Grand Design. It's a Transcend Xplor 260RB. Rear bathroom, single slide out. Let's take a look. Alright, so starting on the outside of the Transcend, you'll see single slide out. Thicker mill aluminum siding than most. So a little better insulated, a little more durable, a little better quality. Power tongue jack on the front. Two 20-pound LP bottles. Spot for 1 or 2 batteries. You are prepped for solar charge, trickle charge those front batteries. Magnetic latch for the compartment door. Nice pass-through storage. Docking area. You can feed everything right through the bottom. Your water, cable, everything can feed through there. You got motion sensor lighting. Battery disconnect. Exhaust vent for the range. All 4 corner 5,000 pound rated stabilizer jacks. Your black and gray tank connection. 30 amp service. Transcend did equip with the black tank flush, and for aluminum sided camper to have a built-in roof ladder. You don't see that often. Prepped for backup camera, spare tire on the bumper, full-length power awning with LED lights. Outside speakers, prep outside for a TV. Nice clean, lightweight aluminum steps. The other side of your pass-through storage. Again, magnetic latches, LED lights, very clean open storage. Large assist handle. Friction hinge on the door. Again, wherever you leave it is where it stays. Nice light linoleum floors. Light solid surface countertops. Rear bathroom. Again, single slide out on the kitchen side. Dinette makes into a bed. And you've got your bedroom up front. Let's start in the back. So solid door that closes off this huge bathroom. Full length door. So it closes off the bathroom and the living area. During the day, you don't have to have the door open, exposing your bathroom. But then you can open it up. Large shower, overhead skylight. Nice linen storage. Shower enclosure built in. So nice retractable door. Reduces spilling and very clean. Plenty of room around the toilet. Nice countertop area. Nice storage. Exhaust vent. And you've got a window in the back. This main living area, highlighted by the Thomas Paine theater seating, which is directly across from the TV for a nice viewing area. Theater seating, they do extend, recline. Have a little storage area here. Booth dinette does drop down and make into a bed. You do have the option of the fabric backing, so you can change that around if you want a different look. Good storage down low. Solid blinds that black out the windows. Those windows do open to get good cross breeze. Tons of storage down low in the kitchen. Gas, electric, refrigerator, freezer. Still more countertop space and prep area right beside that oven, which does have the flush cover over the range. Again, more drawers. Nice drawer down low. You can put some pet dishes in. Motion sensor lighting in the pantry. TV is on a swivel arm. Deep storage above the TV. And then it's your CD, AM, FM, DVD player, USB hookup. Ducted AC. Another roof vent in the living area. A nice skylight in the kitchen area. Nice overhead storage. A spray head on your sink. And a large stainless steel sink. Receptacles, easy to find all over. Little coat rack. Motion sensor lighting. Again, another solid door to separate the bedroom. Convenience area, control your slide, your awnings, lights, water tanks. 60 by 80 queen walk around bed. Storage underneath it with shocks. Nice overhead bin. Again, receptacles on both sides. USB. Hanging area. Spot for another TV. And good space walking around this bed. So great new floor plan. 260RB. Grand Design Transcend Xplor. Just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe down below. Scott Hudgens, Dodd RV. Putting new videos, motorhomes, travel trailers, fifth wheels on daily. Love to hear from you. If you have a question or comment, or if you're looking for a certain floor plan, let me know. If I haven't already posted it, I will. Dodd RV is family owned and operated since 1956. We've got 2 locations, one here in Yorktown and one in Portsmouth. We'd love to earn your business. Thanks again for watching.